In this Paracourse lesson, we want to model this parametric roof in Grasshopper from scratch, and you can see that we're going to control the size of the covering of the roof, which is going to be a simple rectangle, which I'm going to explain in this tutorial. We can control the, let's just look at the top, the curve of the roof, so we can change this, and also control the height. I'm going to define these parameters in the tutorial. And finally, we can control the number of these divisions and the multiplication for thickness, and also an offset, which I'm going to explain how we can control. So we're going to model this from scratch in Grasshopper, and we're going to learn some techniques we can use to produce such a parametric model. Based on the connection, the first one with the shift key, the second one, and the third one, you can see that they are going to go inside groups of 3. That is exactly what we need. You can see that this edge is going to go in this direction, and the second one is going to be in the opposite. So when we divide it, it's going to be like this one's a 0, then it's going to be 1, it's going to be 2 till the end, and this one is going to be 0, 1, 2 till the end. Again, because the direction is different, I'm going to go to the loft option and say align the sections. Index. You can see it's deleting the first one. So another trick, again, you can right click and reverse it. So this one is going to be the first, and it's going to get rid of that one. Then connect them together with a loft, and then extrude that to give it a thickness. So that is going to give you a complete thickness on the polyline. So the surface and the loft tool, and then we can extrude them. In the project. Okay, I hope that this tutorial was useful, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just ask below the lesson, and see you next time. Bye.